Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, the daily candle is finished here. And what's indicating that candle here? Indicating there is a volume here. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here, if you see in over here, the inside bar also will tell you here and here, as you see it, guys. But the market is still here, hasn't came and breaking for us here, so it's still early for you to enter, guys, long. And here another thing, if you look close with me here, look here, very close here, what you seeing, guys, look here, like that, and like that, and like that. It give you here a head and shoulder, guys. I know it's not clear now, but if you do it the line chart, it's going to be very clear to you. As you see it, guys, is a head and shoulder, very clear here. Let me show it to you here in the lines. As you see it now, how is it very clear now? Look at it here, the first shoulder, and here the head, and now it give you another shoulder, guys. As you see it very clear now, as you see it at the shoulder, over here the head, and that's another shoulder, guys. So where is the neckline? Is it that one here? If it's break, you're going to come here and calculate it like that, and you make it like that, guys. So it's going to go till here, maybe till that zone here. And that's what me I told you before. If you remember what else we said before, guys, what else we said? We said we got here that trend line, that one. We said it's good to go to touch it here, then maybe after that it's going to drop again. So we are going to go for another bull run, guys. Not a big bull run, a small bull run, maybe till here, till that zone here, as you see it here. Then we're going to head for another crash. So make a close eye those things, me I'm telling you. So the Bitcoin, the only asset was still holding, guys, at that level here. The other ones, if you see the SP 500, what it's doing, you see the Forex or the currency pairs, British pound, it fall down more than 1000 pip, Euro USD the same, so everything is falling. The only one who's still holding here is the Bitcoin, guys. So make a close eye at those things, me I'm telling you. And tomorrow they are coming very stronger news, guys. But before we go into show you the news, guys, you watching us, are you not yet subscriber, guys? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is it in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So let's go to show you the coming news for tomorrow, guys. Here we are, guys. As you see, those ones, the coming news for tomorrow. As you see them, we got, by the way, all the time here. Is it with GMT? As you see it, guys. At 11:30, guys, in the morning, we got the Fed Chair Powell speech. Then the ECB President Lagarde speech. The same time. Then at 12:30 afternoon, what we got, durable goods of USA. So you need to make a close eye at that one, guys. Then we got at 2 o'clock consumer confidence. Then at 2 o'clock we got home sales or new home sales, and it's going to come negative, guys, all those ones. So you need to make a close eye at those things. Consumer confidence, because there is no jobs, the money, everything is getting expensive those days, and the houses, the people, they don't want to make loans now because the interest rate is too high. So all those ones, they are going to come negative. You need to make a close eye at those news coming, guys. That's why me I said it's still early in the Bitcoin, guys. It's not yet. And here, look with me very close, guys. Here, look here, what you seeing, guys? Here, what you seeing? Look at that zone here. What you seeing, guys? At the VIX, where it is, look at it. It's 32, guys. It's something very scariness, guys. And look at US market, everything is red, guys. Look at it, everything is red. But the dollar index, it started falling, but after it reaching to 113, guys, it's a new record. So I don't know what to say. There is nothing to say about that. I think everything is too clear, guys. That's why me I told it's still very early. If you are a stock investor, you know what that meant. The VIX up the 32, guys. It's very a lot of scariness in the market, and no one want to invest. If you got cash, guys, don't put it now in the market. Remember my word. It's still very early, guys. Let's go back now to the chart to show you more. So here we are, guys, in the chart. What me I got here? I got my chart as you see it. that level here, that yellow one, it's still very stronger, guys. It hasn't been broken yet. And me, I tell it to you, maybe it's going to go till here, till that level here, to touch for us here, that upper of that channel and the lower of that long-term trend here. So you need to make a close eye at it when it's going to touch here, what it's going to do. If it's breaking, all of us, we're going to enter long, guys. I'm going to tell it to you now. If it's breaking for us here, like that, all of us, we are going to enter long, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So when is it the right time, we're going to tell it to you here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, if you remember what me I told you here, at that zone here where we are, I told you is the same like here and like here. You make for us the first one in the top and the second one down. You go in here. You make another one. You're going to come down to make the second one. You're going to go up to make the third one, guys. Then after that, there is a big drop is coming, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You get what me I'm saying? So where we are here, we're still in our level, guys. There is no buying, no selling. But here in our indicator, guys, what you see? Look with me here. Look here. What you seeing, guys? Is the same head and shoulder I show you in the daily chart. Is the same one here, guys. It's very, very, very clear here. Should you enter now? Not yet, guys. It's need, because in the daily you need to enter for long term, guys. It need to break for you here. If it doesn't, don't enter, guys. It's still early. So still in a very long term accumulation level, guys. I told you the Bitcoin is going to run high till 2023, guys. I tell you that because of the halving cycle and all those things. Till now, we're still in a very bad moment. Tell you how the Fed, they started lowering the interest rate. That's the right time for you to enter, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one, guys, what I told you here. Here in that zone, what did I told you me before? I told you got a big divergence like that. What that indicating? It indicating there is a reverse coming, guys. There is a going up is coming. Should you enter now long? Not yet, guys. And here what I told you, same thing. You got here a divergence as you see it, guys. It's very clear. Should you enter long, guys? Not yet. When should you enter long, guys? If the market can, look at that trend line here, and the market came and break it here. If the market break here, enter long, guys. If it doesn't, don't enter, guys. Remember my word. If it doesn't break there, don't enter. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing right now for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber in our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and smash in the like button, helping us growing up more that channel, guys. You done it? Please write with it a comment. Tell us how you found our analysis. Is it good? Is it not good? Did we need to improve something? Tell us your opinion, guys. You done it, my friend? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to the 4 hours, guys, to see what Bitcoin doing in the 4 hours. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And here in the 4 hours, what I told you me before. What did I told you? Here we go. Look at it. Here, what did I told you? I know some people, they copy that one from me and they try to make it here. They said, is it here? And they said the breaking it happened here. If the breaking happened here, what that candle been doing here, guys? There is no breaking there. That one, look at it. It came here and we started from the peak of that one and the peak of that candle here. And that one, it's make it to us very stronger. Now that candle here, which is going now, it close like that into long, guys. Everything is too clear, but me, I think it will not go high. I think from here it's going to drop, guys. Because that just Monday. We need Tuesday to close like that. Then also we're going to be sure is it going up. Everything is too clear, guys. And look here. Here in the 4 hours, that head and shoulder, me I show you, guys. Look at it here. It's very clear here. But it's the same thing, guys. It's the same line as we said before. Is the same one. It's being broken here. Now you need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. For people who hasn't entered long here in the 4 hours, enter long now, guys. Everything is too clear. Let me show you something very important here. Where you need to take the profit, guys. Where you need to take the profit here. Here. It's going to be here next to the 200 moving average or at the trend line here. Remember my word. Over here you need to take some profit, guys. Stop loss where it is. Here down. All those people, they enter now from that level, take profit here, stop loss down. When it reach here to that level here, you take some of the profit and you move the stop loss to the entry point, guys. Remember those things. Everything is too clear, guys. And what I got me in my chart, let me show it to you. Same thing, guys. I got that wage I showed you before. Now it's showing it's being broken here. As you see it, let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. As you see it, guys. that the top of that wedge, it's being broken here in that candle. So, but we still down in that yellow level, guys. So let's wait in if it's going to break for us that yellow level here and that candle which is going now to close how it is, guys. If it close like that, it close above that line here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's show you our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. It's breaking that level here. If that 4 hours closing like that, enter long, guys. Remember my word. If that 4 hours close like that, how it is now, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Where we're going to take profit here, guys. Because look at that. If we bring here like that, what else we said, guys? We got that trend line here. It touched here. Now it's breaking for us. And now, as also we said every time, guys, what we said. Over here, the bears were controlling, and over here, the bulls were controlling. And our indicator, he breaking the wall between the bears and the bulls. Now, where it is, guys? Look at it. What you seeing here? It breaking up, but not yet, guys. It's need the 4 hours candle to finish how it is. If it's finished like how it is now, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Let me show you our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, the same thing. What else we said here? We are at the oversold, being at a very stronger level. Third things, what we said, price action, guys. Yes or no? And that candle which is going now, guys, it's breaking here as you see it. If it close like how it is now, and it close above that level here, enter long, guys. You take profit, some of the profit here, the 200 moving average. You take what you invest and you let the profit to run. You will not lose nothing, guys. Take profit, it need to be here, guys, at that level here. Look at it, how I draw it me. Here, exactly, guys. Near to 21k, guys. As you see it. From that level here, you came and you drawing the one like that. Let me show it to you. You came to that one. Look, that last low here and that last high here. Then you came like that and you draw them together like that. In a square, guys, like that. When it came here, you take the profit, guys. Remember my word. Don't wait in that one to come till the overbought area, guys. Only here in that zone you take some of the profit, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, before the news came tomorrow. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to tell you if you need to enter, if it's breaking or not yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go into 30 minutes to see where we are. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And if you remember what else here in 30 minutes we said you got that one here and that one here like that. It's breaking here. As you see, it's very clear. Now, people, they will tell you need to enter long, guys. Yes or no? But look with me here. What you got here? What you got, guys, here? A triangle, yes or no? Should you enter, guys? Not yet. Why? Look with me. Look here and look here. Where you are, guys? Look from here, look from here, look from here, and look from here, and look at that one. You are in a very stronger level, guys. Look how many times. 5 times it's being touched. It's our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying. We are at the overbought area, guys. If you enter based on the 4 hours, you can enter now, guys. But in 30 minutes, not yet, guys. It needs to make another correction to come down and to give you a price action to enter long. Now, what you need to do, guys, you came to that small price action me I show you here. Look at it. That triangle me I draw here. By the way, that candle is still going. Then, if it came at break for you lower here, you enter short, the take profit of you, it needs to be down here, down in that level, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So it's not yet, guys. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing there is a rejection coming. So it's need that 30 minutes, all of them, they need to be at the oversold area, guys. And then the price to come and to break for all of them. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for today's video, guys. See you after New York opening, guys. Bye for now, guys.